Okay everyone, who fancies an unboxing? I've ordered this kit from Amazon because it occurred to me that I'm making all these lovely pots and things, especially since I got all those moulds from Boo and Nicole, and it'd be nice to put candles in them, and I've not really made candles before, so I got a kit. So let's see what's in here. I literally looked in the top and thought, oh no, I'm going to unbox this on camera. So we have a load of wicks. There's a lot in there. Don't know how many, but there's lots. We have wax. I think there's another bag of wax down here. How much wax have we got? We've got 2 bags of wax. Because I thought this little starter kit would get me going, and then I'll know what... It's like I often do, you know. I order starter kits, and then I know what I need to get. Some of the stuff in the starter kit I'll keep using, obviously. But in terms of the actual supplies, I know what to get, and I then can get the right stuff. So... there we are, that's the wax. What's these? Oh, what's these? These colours. That says sapphire. That says ivory. Yeah, they must be colours, mustn't they? We've got green and we've got golden yellow. Okay, I don't know what other colours that I've got for all my other crafts will work with wax, but we can find out. Got some little tins, which is nice because that gets us started, doesn't it? Oh, and a little, oh, like the little jug. You know what? I nearly bought a new jug today. Look at the little tins. Aren't they sweet? So we've got some cute little tins to get us started. Let me move this to one side. Let's get that out. Yep, so I've got 4 little tins, so I'm guessing that this is enough to make 4 candles. 4 candles. Any Brits of a certain age out there will know why that's funny. Anyway, I won't go on. Put you a link below. Anyway, yeah, these are the things for holding the wicks. Apparently, I watched the little video on it. You sit that across the top, and you see it's got all these steps so it can do for different sizes. You can even go up to the size of the jug. Yeah, you could even go up to the size of the jug if you wanted. So you've got all those little steps to hold the wick in place, so it won't slide out. So there's a centre one, and if you wanted to do 2 side ones, that's neat. That's why I bought that kit, this kit over any others. I've seen a lot of kits that have got like a lolly stick. Well, it's actually like one of our stirring sticks that we use. These ones, excuse me, reaching across. These ones with a hole in the middle, that works too. There might even be some of those in here, but I like the look of this. So I thought we can poke the wick through it, slide it to one side, that'll hold it firmly. So, there's our little tins. So really, to make more, I'm just going to need more wax and more wicks is what I can see so far. There's a stove. That's one of the reasons I wanted this. We'll look at that in a minute. What's this? I have no idea. Is that feet for the stove? Might be. Yeah, that's feet for the stove. We have got scents. We've got lemongrass. We've got eucalyptus, we've got cedar, and we have got peppermint. I was hoping there'd be lavender. I think I've got some lavender oil though, if that's just pure oil. Oh, there's another bag of wax. Oh, that's cute. Little spoon thing. I hope there's some instructions. Yes, there's some instructions. Great. And what are these? Sticky pads. What are those for? Not sure. That just tells you how to do the wax. So what are these for? Are they to put little feet on the double-sided sticky pads? Don't know. Maybe that's for labels or something. Anyway, I just had to show you this. Isn't the jug adorable? I mean, that in itself is lovely. It's shiny. That's lovely. Let's have a look at the little stove. I like the idea of this stove because... I'll try not to scratch these as I put them in, because then you've got a self-contained kit. I haven't got to go downstairs and be doing things in the kitchen, making a stinky mess. So let's see what the stove is, and I bet I've got other things I can use this for as well, because I've got some monster clay. Instructions: plug it in and it does it, I presume. Temperature dial, on-off light ventilation. Let's put little feet in. I mean, that looks as straightforward as can be. So, if you want to see me filling up some of my little pots, with candles, I mean I'll do the tins first, then join me. I don't think it's going to be a thing I do regularly, simply because, although look at it going easy, simply because it's, I used to be so into candles, but nowadays I don't really, well, I've realised how much they stained the ceiling at my old house apart from anything else. Isn't that neat? And yeah, well, I'm just frightened of burning the place down as well. Anyway, yes, if you want to see what I do with all this, watch on, because at some point in the not too distant future, I'm still catching up on a backlog of videos, but at some point I will get to making some candles and let you know how I get on with this kit. If you like the look of it, I'll put you the link down below. It was just off Amazon, so I'll see if I can find it on the Amazon America as well as the UK one for you. And yeah, let me know if you've got one of these and how you get on with it. I'd be interested to know. Right, I'll see you for the next crafting video. Bye everyone.